What's equity and why is it important? We're going to talk about that next. Hi everyone, John Diaz, your Arizona Realtor. Today I want to talk about equity and why it's important. So equity, simply defined, is the value of your asset minus the amount that you owe against that asset. Or in simpler terms, the value of your home minus the amount that you owe for your mortgage. Now, the difference is the equity. Now, there's three ways to increase the equity in your home: market appreciation, forced appreciation, and debt reduction. Market appreciation is when local, state, or national economic factors increase the value of your home. For example, let's say your neighborhood has had a boom in job growth or population growth, and that population growth is outpacing new home sales or the amount of homes that are available for that population. That's going to cause the value of your home to appreciate or go up. Forced appreciation is when you upgrade your home. Examples of that would be, upgrading your kitchen by, putting new cabinets in, granite countertops, stainless appliances, upgrading bathrooms, putting new flooring in. That's forced appreciation to improve the value of your home. Debt reduction would be to reduce the amount that you owe against your home by, say, making extra payments against your loan or against your mortgage, paying more every month or making an extra payment every year. That's going to cause the amount that you owe against your home to decrease, widening the gap between the value of the home and the amount that you owe against your home. Now, why is equity important? It represents your net worth. And it's a very powerful tool. People use it to start new businesses. They use it to invest. They use it to move up into a new home. You can take money out from your home, borrow against your equity, and say buy rental properties, or use it to start a new business. Or when you sell your home, you take that equity and you use that as a down payment on your new home. That way you don't have to come up with or save extra cash. Now, if you have any questions about what I've gone over today, or any properties or the process, feel free to reach out to me by call or text at 480-442-4651. You can email me at jldsellsaz@gmail.com, or you can direct message me on social media. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have a great day.